Did you know the colors that you wear can influence the way people perceive you? Colors impact emotions, decision levels, and trust. The right color can subtly communicate authority, approachability, or even creativity, helping you resonate with clients and ultimately secure those business relationships. So get comfortable and let's dive into the top 8 colors to wear in business. I'm going to go over what they symbolize and why they're key to building trust and your expertise. Hi, welcome to More Style. My name is Celeste Moore. If you don't know me, I'm a certified image consultant, and I help men and women entrepreneurs really master and discover their own unique style so that they can command presence in any room that they walk in. Have you wanted to close more deals, make more money, and even be known as an expert in your field? Well, I'm going to share with you today. There's 8 colors that can make or break whether or not someone does a business deal with you, or make or break if they trust you. So, the power of color in business. First, let's describe why color psychology is impactful in a professional setting. We live in a world where first impressions matter, and even more so, lasting impressions. They're made within seconds. The first thing we notice is someone's image. The color that we see is even before the whole package. It happens within seconds. And the colors you wear send an immediate message. And it's unspoken. They can either reinforce your credibility or take away from it. Studies show that colors influence our perceptions and emotions, even if we're not aware of it. Clients may not consciously be aware or even realize why they feel a certain way about you, but their brains are processing subtle signals from the colors that you're wearing. This is crucial for anyone that wants to be recognized as a trusted advisor, a problem solver, or even a thought leader. So let's go over the top colors that can help you make a lasting impression and a positive impact. So here are your 8 best colors to use in business. Number 1, blue. Blue means trust and reliability, and even professionalism. Blue is a go-to color in business. It evokes a sense of trust and stability, and even reliability. Thinking about the branding for financial institutions, most banks have blue in them, unlike maybe Wells Fargo, but most of them want you to trust them with your money, so they strategically have used navy blue. Many of these institutions have used this to also create confidence. When you wear blue, subconsciously, you're communicating that you're dependable, you're honest, and even trustworthy. Lighter blues are more approachable for open-minded discussions, while darker blues convey authority and seriousness. Consider wearing blue the next time you're meeting a client for the first time, or negotiating important deals, where building trust is key. Number 2 is black. It says authority and sophistication. Black is a powerful color. It conveys authority, strength, and even sophistication. If you want to be seen as a serious professional and an expert, black is a strong choice. However, black can also be intimidating, so it's best to use in moderation or balanced with other colors. In a leadership role, a black blazer or a black tailored trouser can make you look sharp and in control. Just remember, the key is to not overdo it. Wear it to reinforce your authority without creating a barrier. Number 3 is red. Red is the most powerful color. It is confidence and it has energy, passion. Red is bold, it's energetic, and it's hard to ignore. It symbolizes passion and confidence and assertiveness. Wearing red can help you stand out in a competitive setting, or it conveys enthusiasm during presentations. However, it can also be too intense, so use it thoughtfully. A red tie, a red scarf, even a red lipstick, or even a blouse can inject energy into your outfit. It can also signal that you're confident and not afraid to take charge. Just remember that red is a powerful color, and it's most effective in situations where you want to make a strong impression. I'm going to give you a little bit of information. I wore a red suit in a networking event where I wanted to be remembered. And by the third day, I had a woman come over to me and said, "Oh my God, you're the woman in the red suit. I wanted to come over and say hi, but I lost track of you that day. But I remembered you. And what do you do? Because you look so confident." That's just an example of how red can make a lasting impression. Number 4 is gray. Gray means balance and neutrality, but it's also professionalism. Think about lawyers. Lawyers wear a lot of gray, and bankers. Gray is the color of neutrality and balance, but it still can convey authority. It's not as empowering as black, but it still conveys professionalism and reliability. Gray is ideal for environments where you want to come across as calm and composed. This is a great color for negotiations and mediations. Like I said, a lot of lawyers wear this. Light gray is more approachable, and darker grays convey more authority. It also conveys more seriousness the darker the color. If you want to create a balanced look without standing out too much, gray is the perfect color. Number 5 is white. It means cleanliness and simplicity. Wearing white can make you appear that you're organized, detail-oriented, and approachable. It's a fantastic color for meetings where you want to come across as open and transparent. It's also not a color where you will be remembered, so keep that in mind. If you want to be kind of seen as open and simple, then this is the color you'll wear. White also has a fresh, modern feel, so it's great for professionals in creative situations or for situations where you want to create clarity and simplicity. A white shirt or a blouse under a blazer can give you a crisp, clean look that speaks volumes. Number 6 is green. It means growth and prosperity. Green symbolizes growth, harmony, and prosperity. It's a color that feels refreshing and is often associated with wealth and success. Green can be a fantastic color when discussing growth and prosperity at a meeting, especially as you're wanting positive changes in a business. Green is also great for meetings that are focused on collaborations or for future growth. Darker greens convey stability and wealth, while lighter greens feel more creative and open. Consider adding green when you want to create a prosperous, forward-thinking image. Number 7 is purple. Creativity and wisdom, and also luxury. Purple combines the stability of blue and the energy of red, making it a color that symbolizes creativity, wisdom, and luxury. Historically, purple has been associated with wealth and royalty, wherein purple can communicate that you're creative, yet you have a thoughtful approach to your work. Purple is especially effective in fields where innovation and insight are valued. Adding purple accessories like a scarf or a tie can show that you're thoughtful, you're imaginative, and you're willing to think outside of the box. Now, everybody knows that my purple suit was the ultimate strategic key piece to my speaking on stage in Las Vegas, where I was speaking to a very creative, innovative, and luxurious group. I knew who my audience was, and I created that suit so that before I opened my mouth, I was sending the message that resonated with my audience. Number 8 is brown. Brown means that you're grounded and dependable, and you're also approachable and friendly. Brown may not be as common in business attire, but it's really an underrated color because it means that you're grounded, you're warm, you're approachable and friendly, and you're dependable. Brown can make you appear that you're approachable and trustworthy. It's a great choice for one-on-one meetings or mentoring sessions where you want to create a sense of comfort and approachability. Lighter browns and tans are softer and they're more approachable, while darker browns can add a touch of authority without the intensity of the color black. Another example of wearing brown, I wore a medium color brown to speak in front of 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. Now I knew that that's a tough crowd for them to, one, be interested in anything I have to say. So wearing this brown allowed kids to come up to me and ask me questions. because I was friendly and approachable, and I seemed that I would have a dependable answer. So that's just another example on when and where to wear brown. Now that we've explored the meaning of the colors, let's talk about how to select the right ones based on your business goals. Think about the right type of energy you want to bring into any situation. Are you aiming to close a deal, build trust with a new client, inspire your team? The colors you wear can subtly influence all decisions and outcomes. You can also use a color combination to send a message. For example, pairing blue, that means trust, and the color gray, that's neutral, creates a balanced and professional look. Or if you want to convey confidence and creativity, try red and purple together. These combinations can enhance your image and make it easier for others to connect with your message. Okay, let's wrap up with some practical tips on how to use these colors in your wardrobe. Number one is start off with accessories. If you're using a new color, try adding pops of the color with a scarf, a tie, and even jewelry. This allows you to experiment without a full commitment. Number two, use layers. Incorporate color through layers. A colored blazer or a sweater over a neutral can add just the right amount of energy. Number three, a bold, balanced look with neutrals. For intense colors like red or black or even purple, balance them with neutral pieces like white, gray, or even beige to avoid overpowering the look. Number four, consider your personal brand colors. If you have specific brand colors, consider incorporating them in your wardrobe. It reinforces brand consistency and helps people associate you with your business. Don't overlook fit and texture. Colors look best when your fit and texture is on point. Ensure that your clothes are well fitted, that they're pressed and wrinkle-free. These details elevate your look instantly, and they show that you're intentional about your image. If you're ready to take control of your colors through psychology, then book a call with me for a 4x4 color analysis. It's the ultimate way to ensure that your colors will enhance your natural features and they will align with your professional goals. For more image, style, and color tips, hit that subscribe button below. Thank you.